What's going on, guys? Just a quick one to show you how to regas any car by yourself, just using one of these quick regas kit. But do note you will need this type of attachment onto it, so it fits onto your spec, because there is two types. There is R134A and there is R1234 RF, I think. If I'm wrong, correct me. So this one, the R134 is for older cars. I think it's from like 90s to, I think it was 2012. And then obviously the R1234 YF is onwards. So you just got to check, and I'll show you where to check what your car needs. And it is under the bonnet. And under the bonnet, somewhere on the bonnet or around the bulkhead area, there will be a code, which is obviously what I need, which is R134A. And then obviously that indicates what gas you need. So make sure you look at your bonnet first and then you get your gas. Obviously, like I said, I think the older cars are 134A and the newer cars are 1234, whatever it is. So yeah, just double check before you buy. And the gas refill station, this is a Passat B5, but it will be different of other cars. It's normally in this area, so mine is right here. You just got to take this dust cap off, which I'll do now. Dust cap is off, and then this is just a push down, so you just literally that's in. It's on. Now this is the important bit. Mine's holding. It will read higher than what it needs to, because obviously the compressor ain't running. But when I turn this on, this should go to the low area. If yours ain't reading anything at all, then obviously you've either got a new system which hasn't been gassed at all, or there's been you've got like a leak somewhere. So I wouldn't recommend doing this, because this is just for topping up. However, if you know you've got a small leak, obviously this will potentially sort it out. I'm not guaranteeing it will, but it potentially could sort out your leak. Anyway, so this screws onto the bottom of here. I can't do that with one hand, so I'll quickly do it. There we go. Right, that's screwed on, just like that. Now we start up the car, and you'll see that this here will drop. So now you started up the car, you need to keep shaking it side to side. Little bit. Just like that. And then do it every 10 seconds. And it should give you a good reading. Don't put it upside down. So now pressure is good. And it is honestly ice cold in here now. It is ridiculous how much that's changed it. So put the nozzle on, screw in the aircon, gas aircon, then squeeze the trigger, but shake it side to side, and then left to right, just like that. Just keep doing that. 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and yeah, that's it. And now I've got, honestly, ice cold aircon blowing at me, so it's very nice. Now we'll leave this here for running for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then we'll see what the pressure's reading. Hopefully I haven't got any leaks. In the meantime, I'm going to put some of this turtle wax odour. If you're going to use something like this, you need to make sure your recirculation's on. There you go, that's on now. And then all you do, put it in here, like that, and then like that. the door. Leave that to go off. I think it takes about 5 to 10 minutes for that to actually do something. My pressure has since increased again. Wonder why. But at least not losing pressure. If there's losing pressure, that'd be an even worse thing, wouldn't it? And it's stopped. So let's see how good it smells in here. I can smell it from the outside. That smells good. Still holding pressure. Means we can turn the car off. It smells so good in here now. What the hell? Then disconnect this. And this stuff, you can have, I think you get about 3 uses out of it. So I'll write down my mileage when I did it last. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's how you recharge your own aircon. Quite easy. Just make sure you follow the instructions really. But I hope this has helped you. If it has, make sure to leave me a thumbs up, give me a little subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.